to the show. It's called the Skylander Shorts. Skylander Shorts. You're watching the Skylander Shorts.
Not those kind of shorts.
Why don't you guys get lost? You're ruining our Thanksgiving.
Can't we just all be friends?
No.
I am Groot.
Don't you talk about my mama like that!
You guys are just mad because Disney Infinity is better.
No way! Skylander's trap team is better.
Don't lie, you know you love us.
Yeah, right. Skylanders would never have anything to do with Disney.
On Disney Channel. With the power of imagination, you and your friends can unleash the excitement of a new adventure. Skylanders Trap Team is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel, rated E10+. And now, back to the show on Disney Channel.
Well, this is awkward. So, what do you say? Thanksgiving? Hey, imagine if you were a villain, you'd have to like change your first name.
I'm sorry about Peñata throwing up in your hair. Bad, Peñata, bad! So don't do that to our guests!
Is there any relation to Persephone? By any chance? No?
Is your mom in the dark element? Does she have blue hair?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
Oh boy, this is a great Thanksgiving! But too bad we couldn't be in New York City. Then we could see the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in that giant eruptor balloon. I already got that covered. Holy crap!
Somebody help me!
Skylander Shorts.
Now let's grab some Traptanium and watch it blow your mind. Let's defeat the Shred Knot and then lock 'em up inside.
How?
How what?
I just wanted to know how you were doing. That was it.